In this video, I've shown you guys how you create a pivot chart. So in my previous videos, I showed you guys how you create a pivot table on Excel. So it's very, very simple. Now let's select this here. And now let's try creating a chart here. So you can see when you select this here, you have the pivot analyzed on here. So on here, you can see this option here, which is pivot chart. Very, very simple. So just tap on that here, select your preferred chart, and then you're good to go. Yeah. So with this type of data we have here, it should be a column. Good. So we can select the one that stacks on each other and the rest. So let's try select this cluster, and then we press on OK, and we are good to go. And if the data was small, we'd have used a pie chart rather. It's going to represent it better. But then since the names are a lot, we would have to move with a chart here. So simple and easy. You can customize. So you can make it total sales. And if it's a first quarter, you give it first quarter or something. But then this is some small data I'm just using for the tutorial, so I don't have any dates. Yeah, good. And then you can edit here, so you can see the names here. You can sort it out if you want to eliminate some of the names. Okay, and you see they vanish from the chart. You get me? Yeah. So that's it on how you create a chart. You can also edit your chart too as well. The pivot chart, couple editor here. This is also nice. You can edit them. It depends on you. You can also try to make some border edit here, some fill which is inside. Let me try make it a solid one. You select the color from this section, red, and yeah, it's up to you. You can edit your pivot chart too as well on Excel. So that's it on how you create a pivot chart after you've created your pivot table on Excel. So I'm going to link my video on how you create a pivot table with slices and the rest to this video, so you can check that out too if you want to. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.